And what do we need to do next? Oh, let's go ahead and get everything, all our categories on one page when the home page loads up. So in order to do that, we need to go to, where do we need to go? Oh, we need to stay in our home page, which is right here, but we need to go to the view. So let's see, our views right there, and our categories. So what we want to do for categories is grab all the category data and then send that to that front web page, that page, categories homepage. And so how we're going to do that is, let's see, I think we can, import models. So we got models imported, and what I'm going to do is go, what is this? It's category. So we'll say categories is equal to category dot objects dot all, I believe, and this should get me all of them. And then let's just print this for now. So I'll print categories, and that should give me all the categories when I hit that endpoint. So we can go to categories, slash, what's it, category, and we also need to give it something there. Category not found. There we go, 1. And so here's all the categories that we have. Why is it just 1? Oh, because any integer. But okay, so that's that. What else? I actually don't need this going right here. So right now I have it given an integer, and then it brings back the category, but I don't think I want an integer. And it should still work now without the integer. Category. Oh, that's because I need to change the URL as well. URL, category, take this out. Reload that, and it should work. There we go. And it still pulled up all the categories and printed them out. So instead of printing them out, what I need to do is get them on the screen. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is, so we got categories here, and now we have categories. So like what I would do now is send that data as an object. So we'll do, let's call it data, and send it to categories as data. And now this front end part, it's sending this data along to this page categories. So if we go back to our page categories, actually I don't want to send it to categories, I want to send it to the index. So I'm actually not going to do this. Actually going to take this, what I just wrote there, and put that in the index. And that way when I hit index, it's going to grab all the categories, print them, which I don't need, but then send the data from there. And now it's going to send the data to the index page. So now we can grab that data from the index page and render it. So right now we got up to the home page. If we go back to our home page, go to the home page. I don't think, do I say print there? No, it doesn't print, but it does send it to me. So I should be able to loop over there. If you look at the docs for Django, you can see that you have this loop right here. So this for loop, we just copied that for the syntax and go back to our PyCharm, and we can run this loop. We don't need any of this. Let's keep the H2 though. And so for D in data, let's put I like I. For I in data, we're going to continue to do this H2. So let's just put my name there for now. And to see if this works, back to the home page, and you can see for every piece of data in there is printing out Leo, but I just wanted to print out, let's see, I think it's could be I don't Thanks to category object. So I think we gotta put I.name. And nope. Is it category name maybe? Category name. There we go. So now we're getting a list of all the category names. And what we also could do is put these in cards. So that's what I want to do. So we can go back to Bootstrap and grab a card. So we don't have to make that ourselves, and grab a card maybe like I guess we can grab a card like this one. And or we can just make it ourselves. If I'm at 22 minutes, so right now I'll just do a card for now. And what type of, so on this data card text, I think we can make it at H3. In this H3 card text, we're going to enter the data, and that's going to be was it I dot category name, and there is no source right now for image, and it should work. Let's go to home, refresh. Okay, somewhat. I could probably just make this myself. I don't need Bootstrap for it. Okay, what I'm going to do is just make the card myself real quick, and I'm going to use inline styling for now, and in another video I'll do a style sheet. So we'll create this div. Inside of this div, we're going to give it an H3. Yeah, H3. And inside this H3, we're going to go ahead and give it that I dot category name. Just want to make sure that we're still tracking with this. Okay. And so for each one of these divs, what I want to do is create some inline styling for now. And I'm going to create a width of, let's say, 300 pixels. And the height would be, let's see, 500 pixels. Okay, I think that's probably too big. Let's do 300 and 500. And then do a background color of whatever color this is. Refresh that. That's still too big. So this height needs to be maybe 100, I guess. Okay, we'll go 150. Whatever. Each one of these, I also want some margin on there. Margin. Color. Margin around there. So we'll do 30 pixels. Like that. And actually make this height a little bigger, and the width a little less, so 300. Okay, the width needs to be more. The height 20. Okay, that's good enough for now. Then we'll just do some border radius, 20 or 15 pixels there, and change this color to white. Okay, so that's cool. And also what I want to do is put these in like some type of container. So let's see, maybe I can put this in a div for like that, and maybe give that some inline styling as well. So width of 100 of the view width, and the height of 100 view height. Background color, let's just go black, I guess. Refresh. Okay, Okay, that's that. And what I want to do is make this a flex box. Display, flex. And I want to do a flex wrap on there. Okay, and I got that flex wrap. And we should go ahead and make these smaller now. Right, because that's too big. It's 300. Maybe the height's still good. Okay, that works for me. Let's just fix this margin. 10 pixels. That's good. And maybe change this color to something a little lighter. Okay, that is good for now, I guess. My screen's huge, so. Also, since I'm here right now, I'm at 30 minutes though. Okay, yeah. This is pretty much all I'm gonna do for right now. In the next video, I'll probably use a style sheet and then clean this up a bit more. But that's pretty much the gist of it. You need to be able to click on these, and this takes you to an electronics page with all electronics or kids, and that would have all the kids stuff. But as of right now, this is it. And next video, I'll clean this up a bit more.